All right, just a quick video. Wanted to show you this fig pin I just got. And I noticed this one doesn't have a base to it. I'm pretty sure this isn't a new one, but I had to get it. And, I've been collecting these fig pins for the past year, and I needed this one for the collection. Really awesome. And I'm a huge fan of My Hero Academia. As you can see, there's the stand. But it usually comes with like a plastic base, but this is cardboard right here. Let me know the whole deal with that, because usually they come in like a base. Was this one supposed to come in a base, with a base, excuse me, but didn't? Like, for example, this one has a base. Why doesn't that one have the base? Help me out. I definitely want to know. What's the deal with that? Leave it in the comments if you have some information. Did someone maybe return this and take the base off of it? Because maybe that is the case with the base. But if you're looking for this one, I will link it in the description box below. Love this show, and I had to get this right here. Had to get it. My favorite character is All Might, and I would love to know your favorite character when it comes to My Hero Academia. So leave it in the comments, and oops, let me get a little closer up so you can see the details. And let me know if you collect fig pins or not. What's some of your favorite fig pins? I would love to know. Quick vid. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, of course, if you are new. Hit the thumbs up button. It goes such a long way. And I definitely will be back soon with more content here at Dell's Toy Show. I'm going to start doing more of the collectibles here and not at the Dell Show, excuse me, not at the Dell Show. There will be from time to time, but I want to work on different kind of content over at the Dell Show and do more collectible stuff here. So that's the deal. So you may be thinking you're watching the Dell Show right now. No, this is Dell's Toy Show. So make sure you subscribe here. Turn all notifications on. And hopefully we can get these views up so I can start streaming live. That is the goal, to start streaming live. And I think that'll happen eventually. Once again, hit the thumbs up button. Leave comments if you got nothing to say. Just write, love the video. The more comments, the more thumbs ups, the more YouTube recommends the vids. And this is the second upload today. I reviewed a bunch of Funko Pops earlier, so check it all out. And I hope you all are doing great out there. Much love, and we out.